Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Facebook and opening your profile. This is where friend list visibility is controlled. Once you're on your timeline, tap the three dots or Edit Profile to reveal privacy shortcuts and settings. Make sure you use the app or desktop. Options look slightly different but follow the same path. This step puts you directly into the controls you need, and it's faster than digging through general settings, so proceed now to change who can see your friends. Once done, go to Settings and Privacy and open Settings, then find the Privacy or Profile and Tagging section because Facebook moves this option around. You'll see an entry labeled Who Can See Your Friends list. Tap it to reveal choices like Public, Friends, Only Me, or Custom. Choose Custom to include or exclude specific people or lists. This gives precise control. Make sure to review both mobile and desktop views if results differ. Because the selected audience, now select the audience you want, Friends, Only Me, or a custom list, and save or close to apply the change. After saving, verify it by using View As or asking a friend to check your profile so you confirm the setting worked. If the option is missing or changes don't stick, make sure your app is updated, clear cache, or try the desktop site. Sometimes interface updates hide options temporarily. If problems persist, log out and back in before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.